This guide will show you 2 effective solutions, helping you completely erase the locked hard drive and restore the device to a usable state. Part 1. How to erase locked hard drive using DiskPart. DiskPart is a built-in Windows command line utility that allows you to manage disks and partitions. It can be used to erase a locked hard drive. Step 1. Press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Then, type and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to launch command prompt as an administrator. CM'd. Step 2. Type DiskPart and press Enter to open the DiskPart utility. Next, type list disk and press Enter. This will display a list of all installed and connected disks. Step 3. Identify the locked hard drive by its size. Then type select disk X, replace X with the number of the locked drive. If the disk is protected, run attributes disk clear readily first. Step 4. Type clean and press Enter. This will remove all partitions and data on the selected disk, effectively erasing it. Part 2. How to wipe a locked hard drive in Windows using Coolmuster Data Erasure. If you want to securely and thoroughly erase a locked hard drive in a Windows system, you can use Coolmuster Data Erasure. However, if the drive is locked with BitLocker, you must first unlock it using BitLocker before using the software to erase the drive. Step 1. Go to this PC. Right-click on the BitLocker encrypted drive. It will likely have a padlock icon, and select Unlock Drive. Enter your password in the dialog box and click Unlock. If you've forgotten your password but saved the 48-digit numerical recovery key generated when BitLocker was enabled, you can use the Microsoft account linked to BitLocker. The recovery key may be stored online. Visit your Microsoft account on another device at https://account.microsoft.com/devices. Sign in with the same Microsoft account used on the locked PC, and locate your device in the list. Click Manage Recovery Keys to view the recovery key associated with your drive. Enter the recovery key to unlock the drive, then click Unlock. Step 2. Download and install Coolmuster Data Erasure on your computer. Open the program, and select Drive Wiper. Then, choose the hard drive you want to erase. Step 3. Choose the desired erasure level and click Erase Now OK to begin erasing the drive. Once completed, your locked hard drive will be fully wiped.